Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon live here at SMX for the Wosi Wosas Expo 2023. At kasama po natin one of the distributor that will protect you, that will give you security ang kanilang produkto. Walang iba, ang Active 8. At kasama po natin ngayon para to discuss furthermore about this security CCTV. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Arcel Fulgencio, ang kanilang branch manager. Palakpakan naman natin. Hello sir, good morning.
Hi, good morning. I am Arcel from Activate, and this is Nina. So we are a complete security solution company. So we provide, as you can see, we have multiple brands. We have Dawa, CK Teco, TNA, H3C, and many more. So we are committed to provide a complete solution for the partners and long-term partnership. Yes, sir.
Okay, so pag-usapan natin, balikan natin sir ha.
Yes.
Pero siyempre pakilala natin ang magandang binibini. Walang iba kundi ang kanila ring branch manager pa rin, si Miss Nina Kathleen Bisido. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning everyone. Hello po.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am Kathleen, tanungin ko lang po kayo, ilang taon na po ang Active 8 sa industriya ng CCTV?
More than 10 years na po.
Mostly 1 decade na, no?
Yes.
At patuloy na lumalago.
Yes. Actually, nag-start kami sa few brands and now we're expanding and nag-offer kami ng multiple brands na po ngayon para ma-adapt doon sa complete solutions po natin.
Okay. Sir, tanongin mo na si boss. Sir, ano po ang purpose nyo? Why you join Wosi Wosas? Ano yung sino-showcase yung produkto rito, sir?
Yes, we are here to show the full solution that we can provide to the partners and to the end user. So we have the security surveillance camera, we have the access control, we have the fire alarm, we have the parking solution and pang e-commerce. So good thing about this brand is we can integrate all the solution into the one system.
Wow. Sir, what is your advantage to the other? Alam natin marami nagbebenta niya, no? Pero
Yes,
what is
yes.
your advantage na masasabi niyong edge po ng Activate?
Yes, Activate provide also the support for the partners. So we conduct training for the partners. We provide the BOM to them, and ayun, the most important thing is the integration of multiple brand into the one system.
Wow. Ma'am, siyempre maraming tao nagtatanong, maganda nga produkto nyo. Very quality talaga.
Yes.
Pero ang question, competitive ba naman ang presyo, sir, ma'am?
Yes, competitive pricing naman po tayo. So, we provide yung mga special pricing din namin and then since we're joining the biddings and projects, so we provide assistance then for the pricing support.
Yes.
So, yun naman yung talagang yung assurance na binibigay din namin sa mga
Meron po tayong ma'am,
clients.
yung pong mga email na gusto nyo na maging partner nyo po, magpapagawa sa inyo. Meron ba kayong website, telepono, or email na pwede kayong kontakin?
Yes, we have a website. It's www.activate.ph. So lahat ng mga products namin and solution is posted naman po doon. And we have also our official Facebook page. It's Activate Diversified Technology Inc.
Wow. So, sabi mo, invite mo sila na pumunta rito para maka B2B kayong dalawa.
So,
Meron tayong 4 na araw, no?
Yes, we
Sige,
have
invite mo
40.
sila.
So starting today, August 9, and up to August 12, we are inviting you to join us and visit our booth here at G2000 to 2008 and 2012. Sorry. We have 10 booths here. We have multiple brands. So yeah, see you there. See you here. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, sir. Last message po natin, special message. Ano ba maalala ng Pilipino kapag sinabing Activate, sir?
Okay, when you say Activate,
Secure.
secure tayo and the partnership will goes on and goes on.
Wow.
Support yan. Yun yung mapapangako rin namin.
Kumbaga pag naalala nila Activate, support each other.
Yes, exactly.
Pinoprotektahan po ng Active 8 ang inyong mga buhay at ang inyong mga gamit. Tama?
Yes.
Ang inyong mga property. Ito po, si Brother Hernan Falcon. Ako, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang Binyo Design at Swedish Design na gumawa po ng inyong booth. Ano masasabi mo sa booth mo, ma'am?
We're satisfied naman. Although we have may konting conflict and then na-pull off na rin naman namin. And ayan, ito na yung
Pero
design
in all
namin.
totality, napakaganda, no?
Yes.
At talagang nakikita bagay na bagay sa iyong produkto.
Yes, umangat naman.
Umangat at
Kita yung mga brands sa atin sa
sabi
taas.
nila, ang ganda ng boot nyo.
Yes, thank
Sir,
you
what
so
can you
much.
say about your butcher?
We are satisfied for the booth and visit kayo dito sa booth namin, and we also want to share with you the technology that we have in our company.
Alright.
And see you.
Okay, sa lahat
Okay,
po ng
okay.
amin nanonood, share and like this video. At siyempre lahat po ng mga OFW natin nanonood sa amin at mga kasundaluhan, narito na ang best na CCTV sa Activate.
Yes.
Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon. Nagpapasalamat kay Mr. Rick Angeles, our executive producer, at laging nagsasabing, God bless you. Palakpakan naman natin. Wow!
Yeah.
Galing.